Yeah, I'm coming to the Imperial Citadel. It's like one of the Thang Palace. So you have to buy the ticket right over here. Let's go in. Let's have a look. The ticket is 30,000 won. Dong. A lot of place for the photo shoot. Okay, Instagrammer, this place for you to come here to take picture before you go in. Okay, ticket counter is right over here. 30,000 per person. It's very advanced, the ticket that you have to tap in or you slot in, I guess. So let me see. Oh, you slot in the ticket over here. Ooh. That's it, and it's gone. Here's the entrance. This beautiful place is like castle type. Because in the translation from Chinese, it's like a castle to me. And it looks beautiful. So it's the Imperial Citadel of the Thang. I'm not sure the Thang is the same Thang as what I read from the history. I'm not very good with this, but the entrance fee is very cheap. So, and there's no queue. To come here is the best place to have some nice picture, and then you can see a lot of the beautiful old buildings. So come follow me, then I will show you around, and then you decide whether it's worth to visit this place or not. This is like the main entrance to go inside to the attractions. Let's go in to have a look and see how inside looks like. And usually the middle gate, the door is for the Imperial, and then for the mistress or the lower rank staff will have to go into the side gate. Oh, it just looks like this. The front and the back looks different. And then let's see what's underneath. As I know that for the water puppet show, it's actually an entertainment for the farmer during the flood. The paddy rice farmer, they couldn't do any farming plantation, so they create this water puppet show for the entertainment. I can see a breast dropping. Okay, the tiger is climbing up tree. Okay, the tiger catch the duck. There's a restaurant over here. Let's see. Black coffee, instant coffee. Hi.
Coffee.
Bánh mì?
Okay, bánh mì. Rồi, bánh mì thế nào?
Hi. How much? Huh? This banh mi is a little bit instant style, which is only the ham and fried egg, and it's a hot press. It's not bad. It's only cost me 25,000 dong. Come, let me show you how the dragon step looks like. Just right over here. Okay, don't compare the one in the Forbidden City in Beijing. It just looks grand enough to me. Here come there is a bunker. It worked as a bomb shelter during the war period. It's 9 meters deep under the ground, and it's strong enough to, how to say, defend from the bombs. The bomb shelter is it has a lot of antique and what they call the ventilation. Air is still okay. You don't feel stuffy here. Wow. I think here is for you to go up to another side. So there is, it should be 4 exits. Yeah, exits. So 4 exits over here in this place. It's like let me recall about the better box in Singapore. Let me on the light. Anything on the rooftop? No. On the side. Let me try to go there. Russia made vehicle. It's very cool. I think it's safe for me to try. I think I am so tempted to try. I don't care. Give me a minute. Okay, if I fall down, then I'm going to claim my travel insurance. It sounds scary. Now I'm going to bring you to the Princess Pagoda, and this pagoda is kind of romantic and sad. It's for the lady to wait for the Empire visit. It's a little bit dark right over here. Let me on the light. Let me see anything here. Oh, there is a empty hall right over here. Oh, umbrella to welcome the king. It's very stiff, so I'm going to off the light and try to go up from here. I'm going to wait for the Empire to visit me. Ooh. Okay, no busy and no video record allowed. I've done the visit of this beautiful place. It took me about an hour. It's worth for the money, and you can come here or you don't come here, it's up to you. Or if you have extra time, this is a good place to visit. And then I enjoy it a lot. It's quite impressed me. There's a bomb shelter and it's only 30,000 dong, and there is a small cafe also, and a lot of beautiful sunflower. It is not well maintained, but I think it's still fine, which is it just like keep in the original way. It's not like too makeover. Yeah, so you can see that in the past how it does looks like. So I quite enjoy this place. If you have time, just come here to have a quick visit.